Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Valorant Couldn't Start error quickly. Let's jump right in. First, open the Task Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Once it's open, look for any processes named Valorant, Riot Games, or Vanguard. Right-click on each one and select End Task. Next, switch to the Details tab, and again, look for any processes with those names. Right-click on them and choose End Process Tree. Now, find the Valorant shortcut on your desktop. If you can't find it, search for Valorant, right-click the icon, and select Open File Location. Once you're there, right-click on the Valorant executable and select Properties. Then click on the Compatibility tab and check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as administrator. Click OK to save. Next, open File Explorer and go to this PC. Find your C drive, then open Riot Games. Open Valorant, open Live, open Shooter Game, open Binaries, open Win64, locate Valorant Win64, shipping.exe, right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and run this program as administrator, and click OK. Finally, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, launch Valorant, and your error should be fixed. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.